Hello
Hello
everyone.
everyone.
Welcome back to our text podcast channel. I'm your host Arthur, my Prodi System Information, and today we are going to deep into a technological phenomenon that has completely re-engineered human civilization, the internet. Joining on today to discuss the from an information system perspective is my colleague Fikri. Thanks for being here, Fikri.
Hi Arthur.
Hi.
I'm Fikri, Prodi System Information.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much for having me. It's a really pleasure to be here today. The internet is such a fascinating topic because we use it every single second. Yet we rarely stop to analyze its massive structure and impact on society.
That is every true. We completely take if it for great now. Let's start with a foundational academic view. When we look back at history, the internet actually started ARPANET in the late 1960, which was a close military and rigged network. In the opinion, Fikri, uh, what was the most critical turning point, the transfer into the global digital revolution we see today?
That's an excellent question, Arthur. If we look at the timeline, the biggest catalyst was undoubtedly we invention of the World Wide Web by Sir Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. Before the web, the internet was highly technical, tech-heavy, and difficult to navigate for ordinary people. The World Wide Web introduced hypermedia, browser, and URL which democratized information. It shifted the internet from a military to into today we are experiencing the era of the internet of things. We not just computer but our cars, hosts, and industrial machines are constantly communicating with us other.
It's amazing how a tool for military communication become the big horn of global commerce. But as our dependency on the internet grow, so do the risks in our information system study program. Data privacy and security are always a hot topic. From a critical standpoint, how safe is our data in this hack-like connect world?
To be complete honest, Arthur, our current digital ecosystem is highly vulnerable because the internet was originally designed for open sharing right here, then street security, adding security layer afterward is a massive challenge. Every single day, organizations face advanced cyber threats like phishing, ransomware, and massive data breaches. For computation, not data is the new country if a company fails to protect its customer data. It does just lost money. It lost public to entirely encryption, multi-factor authentication, and strict compliance laws like GDPR or local data protection and edge are big slowly mandatory now.
Right? Connectivity with security is because this disaster waiting to happen. Looking ahead, how do you use the internet of living over the next decades? What so future IT professional prepare for?
I believe we are moving rapidly toward Web 3.0 which focuses on the generalization on blockchain technology instead of big tech computation controlling the data user will have more ownership. Furthermore, the combination of 3G and 6G network with edge will make data streaming instantaneous. As future it professional, we must
Focus.
focus heavily on mastering cloud architecture, decentralized database management, and cloud security.
Incredibly inside Fikri, the internet truly is a connected revelation. Well, the word of our first segment. Thank you, Fikri, for sharing your academic perspective of the internet.
My pleasure, Arthur. Looking forward to our next topic.
The fresher behind the digital era.
Welcome back to the second segment of our podcast. For the topic, we are switching rules and Fikri, your host for this session, and we are going to explore the physical and logical architecture and actually makes the internet possible. Computer networks. Joining me as expert speaker to is Arthur. Welcome, Arthur.
Hi Fikri, thank you. I'm really excited to talk about not working because well the internet is the software and content the people see. Computer network are the actual head voice and routes the transport the data packets behind the sickness.
That's a perfect analogy, Arthur. Highways and roads. Let's start with the basics, but look at it from a corporate enterprise level. Could you explain the fundamental differences and operational challenge between a local area network and VR network?
Of course, Fitri, from a technical and geographical standpoint, a LAN connect device with a high quality LAN connect local area such as an office building, a school, or a home because it's privately owned a land over incredibly high data transfer speed, very high latency, and is relatively easy to score over with a business expense globality. The need a one connect multi-land cross grid countries or ever commitment. The internet itself is the ultimate explorer of one. The challenge with was is the they won the challenge with was is that they really on public or lets techno communication relate and finds routing protocol like BGP and finds much high security rights.
I see so managing A1 is definitely a whole different ballgame. Speaking of management, network downtime or slow performance can cost companies millions of dollars. What are the key strategies or parameters that network engineers must optimize to maintain high network efficiency?
Network automation requires a mix of hardware and software strategy. First, engineer must design the correct network topology for intense a much topology over great redundancy because if on if one not file data can type on other paths. Unlike a star topology where everything depends on a central switch. Second, between management and quality of service, uh, protocol are vital was always engineered to protect critical data like live video coverage or database. See her Zintes overlays urgent traffic like email downloads. Lately, connect out monitoring using tools the divide packet loss, uh, Gister, and lately before a system crash core course. It's essential.
That's a very detailed. Arthur is so how complex network engineering really is looking into the future. We hear at Low about software defined networking or SDN. Can you give us brief overview of how this will change the industry?
Uh, Traditional network requires engineer to convert every physical router and switch mentality, but with software-defined networking, the control plane is separated from the uh, but control plane from the hardware. This main network administration can manage secure and optimize the internet network in trans through dynamically talk can central software dashboard. It makes the network incredibly flexible and perfect to cloud integration.
Brilliant points, Arthur. Understanding the underlying network infrastructure is clearly vital for everyone studying information system. Thank you so much for this enlightening conversation.
You're very welcome, Fitri. It was great discussion this with you.
And to our other audience, thank you so much for tuning into our academic podcast assessment. We hope you gain some valuable insight to today. Good luck with you. Studies wear your uniform proudly and see you next time.
Okay, bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
Thank you
Thank
for
you for
channel.
channel.
Bye
Bye bye.
bye.